Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And after a really long, or probably this is the first ever time that I'm shooting two videos, like literally back to back within 1 or 2 hours span. And I shot one video with the content or the topic that I wanted to share with y'all. And I went and I was just turned on the TV and watching one series. And in that series, right, it made me sort of realize something that I had long forgotten about, or a content or a topic that I wanted to talk about. But for some reason, it just went, just got delayed. And at one point in time, when I just started the channel, I was thinking about starting the channel. The whole idea had come up from this one concept. It's not a concept. I think it should be a lifestyle, and that is self love. I know it is very not so propagated thing, hardly people talk about it. Though, like, again, I'm seeing that, as the social media is, spreading the news, or, it's coming to everyone's sort of in their attention focus, that you are supposed to love yourself first, like, before you do anything else. And this particular series, right, it just gave me that sort of a push, or idea of how I could put it across to you all. And in this series, again, even you all have been watching anything on television or on YouTube, wherever, Netflix, this, that, you might have seen that always there is this one character usually played by a female who is always like, that little bit slow, soft person who is like sort of usually the character is somebody who is trying to win over the husband, or win over somebody who is like, not liking her, okay, or not having any sort of emotions towards her, good emotion. It could be anyone, but typically it is like, a setup is such that a girl gets married to a rich man, and this rich man doesn't actually wanted her as a wife, and he just gets married because of family pressure, etc., etc., the normal stories how they go on social media, whatever, TV, web series, etc. And in this thing, right, she is constantly trying, in this particular series she was like constantly trying to win over her husband's heart, who was he comes from a very again high class, upper class zone, where it is very, everything is very modernized, and she's somebody who is coming from maybe a little bit of, lower section of the society, or mid section of the society, where it's all more about maintaining your culture, these, that. And she tries everything. She does the ideal, I don't know what to say, ideal daughter-in-law is supposed to do to win over the husband and the husband's family. And in this whole thing, what I was noticing is she was keeping herself last. She was expecting something from her husband, expecting certain love from her husband. And if you could notice it in the series, she wasn't loving herself first. She wasn't treating herself first, right. She had kept herself so low that, I don't know, it was like, why would anyone love such a person, to be honest? Because person is not showing any respect towards herself, and then expecting that somebody else will be giving it to you. I don't know why it is propagated also on some of the big series, or whatever TV daily soaps that go on. But yeah, this is how it is. And suddenly, in somewhere in the middle, like, she transforms herself. She gets into this really business classy woman for something to sort out her husband off out of something, some business deal. And that is the time when she gets the confidence, when she dresses up herself really, like, in a nice way. I won't say she was dressing herself in a bad way, but yeah, she upgrades herself. She starts loving herself. She starts showing the respect towards herself, is when her husband starts developing feelings for her. And just the plot. And the lesson that we can take out from this is, if you are not able to, practice self love, nobody else is gonna love you. And another important thing, what I feel is, you might be wanting to be loved in a certain way. right? It can be from anyone, from your parents, siblings, your partner, whoever it is. But since the expectations are not getting met, you are not getting that whatever sort of expected love that you were expecting from certain source or certain person, you are getting upset. Because there were all this sort of phases in the web series where she was like breaking down that uh, I'm not being treated this way, I always wanted to be treated this way, all that stuff where your expectations are not meeting the reality. And this is another thingy. Any very important thing is nobody can love you the way you want to be loved. Okay? It's only possible when you do it for yourself. You wanted whatever, somebody to get you presents, right? Get yourself, wanted you somebody to give you some gifts. The person doesn't do it, and you are feeling sad. Rather than that, just go out and buy it for yourself. And that is again possible when you are financially independent, right? Okay, that's another side of the story. But the basic thing is that even in this today's current generation, there is all this thing that goes on Instagram or YouTube or all the social media where certain character of certain person, guy or a female, is being propagated so much that this is a red flag, this is green flag, this is the greenest flag, this is a green forest, etc., etc. And then you expect the same thing from your partner, and that doesn't match. Again, you're getting upset. And in all this process, right, we just forget to love ourselves first. We are just expecting it from the others who probably either don't know how to show you, your set of deserved love, or probably who don't want to show. There can be any different reasons. Maybe you're not their priority. It could be anything. So rather than waiting for somebody else to make you feel lovable, to make you feel loved, it's better you start practicing this one thing which is so important in our lives, that is self-love, right? Try treating yourself right. It's even in this web series that I was watching, only when she started treating herself right, started dressing in a very decent ways, and uplifting herself, getting that confidence. Biggest thing, the confidence which she was lacking, when she added all these things into her, she automatically turned as somebody who was like that people could respect, and she got that feeling that now the importance is coming for her, like people are seeing her as an important person. Now this can be anyone. It's not like just a male or a female thing, but this is something so important, that once you learn to love yourself, once you start treating yourself right, once you start upskilling yourself and getting to a position where without that expectation, certain person will like you, love you, or whatever, without that expectations, once you start rising up with your own confidence, with your own self-love, I think after that, whether somebody likes you, dislikes you, doesn't make any difference. Okay, because you have treated yourself so good that there is no space for somebody else's disrespect. And even when you have kept yourself at a position where disrespect coming from somebody below you, you won't entertain it, right? So this is something, again, we should find ways. It can be different, methods can be different for different person, depending upon the situation that you are currently in. It can be very different how you have to make yourself go or navigate through this self-love path. You might find n number of videos on YouTube or Instagram where they might tell you certain things, but it's your way, it's you, how you will navigate through this journey. And remember one thing always, that don't give yourself a position, don't give yourself a worth of certain level, that okay, if somebody else is treating me this way, that means I am supposed to be this way only, maybe my level is this much only. Try uplifting yourself. I know it might be difficult for certain people, again depending upon the society that you are living into, families that you are coming up from, but try and make, or try and build that confidence in yourself. And m- maybe you'll have to find out, you'll have to put that efforts, you'll have to figure it out, that what can I do to uplift myself, so that when I look at myself in the mirror, I know I've achieved something, and I truly love myself when I look at myself in the mirror, right? Once that confidence comes, right, I think you can really go ahead and change your whole life, because now you are no longer dependent upon anybody else for any sort of validation. This is the big thing that was sort of the the conclusion of the web series, that she always tried to validate herself from those people, get a validation from the people whom she loved, but they never had that same feeling for her. So she was like, husband is not treating me this way, mother-in-law, what a father-in-law, other relatives, the husband side of family, etc., etc. And then she kept her self-worth so low that she thought, this is my place over here. And when she began that whole journey of uplifting herself, she saw the major change at the end of the series. She realized that the whole time that she was crying, the whole time she was thinking that I'm not being treated well, I'm not being, I don't have a good place here, whatever, all the other things. It was just because of the way she was actually treating herself, the way she was allowing others to treat herself. So the moment she embarked upon this journey of self love, she found her self worth, and she found the self respect as well. Okay, so this is something really nice, guys. I hope it helps many people to realize that how important is self love. It's just not something about going out and having a good food or anything like that. It's a bunch of whole things which come together, and then you can say you truly love yourself. Okay, so again, we are in the start of the new year, we are in the first month, so please do sit someday and get some pointers in place which can help you on your journey of self love. Okay, see you soon and take care. See you next weekend. Bye bye.